Today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone. Huge shout out to Jimmy for buying this iPhone for me for my birthday. It's the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256 gigs. And currently I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus Red Edition. And apparently I need a new phone and I'm not up to date. So he got me this phone. Here's the phone. Thank you again to Jimmy for the phone. This is the Midnight Green iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you can compare it to my red phone. I'll be keeping this red one and also be utilizing this green one. And I can't wait to use it.